You know what I mean? We gotta repair a lawnmower. Yo, Mikey, get your stuff together. We're gonna repair some lawnmower. And then look at that lawnmower over there. Hell yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that doggy's asleep, man. What the? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, what are you on about, bloody... whatever your name is. I need to name you. Still gotta name him. At the minute, you're just brute. Just a big, dumb brute. 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 And, oh yeah, I gotta fill it. What? Whatever, dog. Yeah, man. We gotta fill some stuff up. Come on. Hey! I'm gonna burn you alive! I'm gonna burn you alive! That's leaking some... I'm sorry. Stay. Stay. Good oil can. Ooh, we gotta cut the grass. You are in trouble now. I got a car to play with. I'm gonna run you over. Yeah, man. How does this work? Whoa, Jesus! Come here, Broody! Yeah, you want some of this now? That was for the last time you bloody had me. Yeah, I told you I'd get my revenge. Yeah, you get out of there. Yeah. Told you. Told you. Mess with the kitty, man. You mess with the kitty, you get cut up. You know what I mean? You get really hurt. Hey, look at that. X marks the spot. What's the next spot? Yo, you back up. You're gonna be a good boy now. Are you gonna be a good boy? Are you gonna be a good boy? No, you're not. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. Yeah, you want some of this? Get out of here, you big brute. Yeah, mess with me again. You know what I mean.